Okay, hi everyone. Um, you all saw my last video probably, maybe. This squishy, it's still drying. It's like a little update. Still drying, not dry yet. Okay. So we have this. Still chewed out looking. So what I've made so far is a little rip in it, because I'm not trying to make a little piece of cake. So I'm just cutting this. Sorry, my friend. She keeps texting me on Kik. So on the top you should have something that looks like this. The side you should have something that looks like this. Okay. Sorry, I just had to go this way. So now I just cut this, and now I have a big tear throughout my thing. Make a sponge. Duh. Warning, it's not this easy. I mean, it's not easy to cut, it's easy to make. Okay. These are myself. Here the makeup sponge is. Looks like a mouth at the top. And here we're just going to open up with this and start cutting throughout. So what we're doing now, you could do it a different way, an easier way. But this is, I'm just cutting it in half. Do it any way you want to. Now you should have two of these. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, so I just formed this into an apple thing. Guys, help me. What am I supposed to say? So this was pretty much a fail. I still have this half, and you guys should too. Should have, over the break, made something like I don't care what you do. I do still have this half. Please, please, please comment down below what should I make, and then we will probably do it. But for now, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you all in the next video.